Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Tuesday morning haul, and this Tuesday morning haul will be late. Again, as you know, my computer's been out, so I'm making films, but I just haven't posted anything till I get my computer. So anyway, that should be soon. Today, actually, I'm doing like 5 videos today, so they'll be staggered out when they come out. But anyway, they'll be late. But anyway, just want to show you what I did get from Tuesday morning, and so you may have already seen this stuff, and that's fine. But I'm just doing my normal thing. So, but thanks again for checking on me, guys. I really love this community and appreciate this community. This is the flashcards by Tim Holtz. And I'm talking low because my grandson's not in here. He's asleep, and I'm trying not to wake him up. This was the Tim Holtz cards, and this is $1.99, and it is called Elements. 219-6110 for $1.99. And these it has different words. 72 different cards, and you could just add these on to different ATCs, podcasts, different things like that, any kind of mixed media project. So this kind of theme is kind of more of a mixed media thing. I did get some of the transfer vinyl for $2.99, and it is 212-7049. Because I always find the transfer in there. This is $5.99, and this one is all the full, and it's 218-6040. So you get 6 12x12s in here, so you can see the different, you know, the green, the silver, the gold, the rose gold, the red, and the copper and green kind of colors, so you can kind of see them. And again, this is just vinyl, 72 inches long, adhesive sheets. So I did pick this up, and I'm debating, I may take this back, but it was $4.99, and this is just an organization tray. You can put your Project Live cards in it, and I believe each slot, well, altogether it holds up to 700 cards, and it comes with those 5. I was gonna buy, like, you know, you can buy a Project Live kit for $6.99, but it has 1,000 cards in those. I didn't want another set of 500 cards. I don't know. But then I did want one that had a 4x6 in it, so I'm debating on it. Then they had the 10, the little metal 10 that you can have them standing up in. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep this one or change it out, but I want it somewhere because, like, I like decorating these. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to keep them in this format or another way to store them. But anyway, so like I said, this contains up to 700, so not bad, but it's just plastic. It's not really sturdy plastic. To me, it's the kind that you can, you know, bend up. So that's what I'm debating on it for $4.99. I wish it was sturdier, like real plastic. I mean, it is, but you know what I mean. It's hard plastic, but this can break. 219-7110. So I don't know, but if anybody has one of they like it, let me know. Just curious if you use anything like this to keep yours. I mean, I've seen them stored in different ways, but anybody got another suggestion to store them, let me know. So that was $4.99. 219-7110. If I didn't say the number, I don't know if I said the number on this one. 218-6040, and this one was 212-7049. I probably did. And 219-6110. I know I read that one. So I saw the sparkling glitter inks by Spectrum Noir, and I picked up the 3 different colors that they had. So these are like watercolors, but they have the sparkle in it. I like Spectrum Noir brand, so I thought maybe I'd try these. They were $8.99. This is Winter Warmers, 218-7173, and basically it looks like a red, green, and a blue. As you can see the colors right there. So it's Starry Sky, Holy Leaf, and Red Berry. And then this one is Metallics, 218-7174. And that says Onyx Black, Sterling Silver, and Spun Gold. And then this one is Glamour, 218-7171. And again, these are all $8.99. And those are the 3 colors, which is Aquamarine, Amethyst, and Pink Garnet. And then things that I get. I did get these. This is by Chanel for $1.49. These are 12 by 12 page overlays. Now these are hole punch, so this actually is designed to go into a notebook. Sorry about the sound. I really didn't want them to be hole punch per se. But anyway, the number is 219-7038. And let's see how there's 2 in here. So I can tell one says adventure, another one's telling my story and adventure. So these can be laid over your 12 by 12 sheets, or just inserted into your binder, like a Project Life binder, or whatever. So, and you can use this acetate if you like to cut around it, maybe for a shaker card, if in a pinch. And I think I don't know if that bent it up. I see a little bend in here. But it's only $1.49. So again, like I said, you could even use that for some shakers if you didn't want it for the overlay. But you won't have much, like a small shaker. So maybe like 2 or 3 inches on the side. Okay, sorry about the sound. Doesn't sit back that way. Okay. I did get this authentic paper pad with the stickers, and it's a baking theme. Ingredient is the name of it, so you can kind of see that. This is for $6.49, 219-6457. So as you see, the price is steadily going up. So let me look, because sometimes, sorry about the sound. So what I have found when you get these kits, they don't always have the pages that are listed, like on this sheet of paper here. But you know, you can take this and you can cut these out and use these as well. So the first page, you can always smell this paper. You got your cut aparts, you know, your 3x4s, black checkered on the side. Some more cut aparts. The picnic table look. I love the colors red and blues. I like vibrant colors. You don't get enough of those. And you know I love red, so if you watch my channel, you know that. So it looks like this is going to be a duplicate because I see the same back. Yep, so let's do that one. You got your cows. Aprons, got a plaid. These are forks and knives, polka dots. So you got some measuring cups, some words, some cups and like Tupperware, some floral. You got your hens, and your eggs. And some more women. So that one repeated like 3 times. But anyway, so that's that set. And then of course the sticker set. So I think at least one of everything was in there. And then this is Shamil sticker set box of crayons, 40-piece set, 219-7028. And I just love the stickers. And it says "You're so sweet," and the crayons, and the pencils and stuff, and the paintbrush, the Polaroid, just cute little elements. And the colorful. I have the paper collections and the ephemera. And this is the back. And then I was excited to get this because I got the paper pad. This is Jungle Safari, 2161068. So we got Jungle Fun, My Favorite Man Club, Cub. I think that's cute. King of the Jungle is the jungle out here. Let's explore together. Wild side adventure, wild and free, into the wild. Not all who wander are lost. Brave adventure. It's out there. Let's explore. Lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. Let's have fun and explore. So it's got in them different banners. So anyway, just nice chipboard pieces. And then I got these 2 books. I caught myself getting this for my sister. And then when I sent her pictures of it, she didn't tell me I bought it for her, but I brought it to surprise her. Because she's coming to visit for the holidays. And she already has this one. But she didn't pay this price for it though. Haha. So it's $3.99 at Tuesday Morning, and it's 218-5301. This came out. It says October on it. But anyway, this is a mixed media stuff. So I'm gonna keep it for myself. You know, she does a lot of abstract, but mixed media too. And we try stuff. She'll give me to try a little bit of stuff. And I have my own little journal that I do some things in it. Thought maybe that'd be helpful. For $3.99 is not a bad price. And same thing with this one, $3.99, 218-5307. And these are $20 books. So, and me, because I wasn't spending $20 because I'm not that invested, but for $3.99 I can do that. I mean, that's a burger, you know what I'm saying? So I like this because it talks about all stuff. She had this one too. I should have known that. But anyway, it talks about pastels and blending, watercoloring, mixing colors, oils and acrylics, gels and pastes, calligraphy, Chinese brush strokes, you know, the color wheel, temperature, complementary colors, perspectives and proportions. Let's do a lot of these when interior design stuff. How to draw people, composition, so just all kinds of art stuff. So I thought that would be a nice book as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.